Hello everyone, my name is Megan Weber. I'm excited to be a part of this class with you all and to get to know you with these introductions. I am currently pursuing a master's in teaching in English through the English Ed department. My undergraduate is in English for secondary education. And so I am taking this course because I believe firmly in advocating for all students, but especially for those who have those linguistically and culturally diverse backgrounds. And I really would just want to be more informed about that pedagogy so that I can honor my students well and teach them well. I believe that this kind of teaching is just plain good teaching for all students, not just specifically the ones with those multicultural backgrounds or linguistically different backgrounds. I got to take a really great class a couple semesters ago all about literacy as social practice, and so that really kind of jump-started my passion for giving a voice to different groups that are maybe outside of the dominant literacy and finding new ways to bring that into my classroom. I currently teach 7th and 8th grade language arts at a middle school in Greeley. This is my 5th year of teaching and my 4th year at my current school. A little bit about me, just some things that mattered to me that I wanted to put in a frame here for you. Traveling is a big part of my life. I love it. I have been to Greece recently, a couple years ago, and it was really incredible. And then I've been to Costa Rica, and I've been to Alaska 3 times, and I've loved that. I have my all-time favorite book pictured, just because that's really what sparked my love for words. And just kind of a quirkiness about me. There's a guitar pick there as well. Music's a big part of my life. I got my minor in music during my undergrad. I played piano for about 16 years. I do guitar. I love to sing. Jazz is my all-time favorite genre, but I'm also really into hip-hop and rap. And then there's the Mary Poppins program there, which is one of my all-time favorite movies, and just kind of a little bit about my personality, I guess. I love it. Let me make sure I covered everything. This past summer, I traveled. I went to Montana with a youth group at church that I help with, and we kind of got a summer camp ready for their summer camp season. It was beautiful. We got to see Yellowstone, and I also just went up to the mountains and read in the hammock and hiked and rested after the school year. In my free time, I love to read and write, visiting coffee shops or checking out cool breweries, things like that. I'm a huge fan of museums, and so anytime I get to go and check out one of those is awesome. The Denver Art Museum is my all-time favorite so far. And one thing I'm really passionate about that's teaching related and education related is restorative justice practices, and especially in the classroom. That when I first heard about it was something that really resonated with my own personal teaching philosophy and just this idea of making things right. I believe I teach because I want to be a part of healing the world in some way, and so that's important to me. With this MAT program, it's really just going to open up a lot of different options for me in the future, whether that's teaching at a high school level, continuing to teach middle school, potentially being an instructional coach in schools, or somehow a restorative justice advocate. I've been sort of toying with policy work of some sort, but I'm not quite sure yet. So kind of just riding the waves for now, and that's me. I'm excited to meet you all.